In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can create animated text in Canva just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So all you have to do, guys, is you just need to open your Canva like this, okay? Go to your Canva homepage and click over here on text. Scroll down, you can choose which text style you want to use. Canva have different styles of text that you can use, as you can see, or you can click over here on add a text box and you can add your text here. I'm gonna just click over here on add this one like this, and I'm gonna increase the font size of this text. Then I will double click on this text and delete this one, and I will put this welcome to my channel, okay, like this. So to make this text animated, click on this text and click over here on animate, okay? You should see this. Click on animate, scroll down, and here you go. You have different animation styles that you can use, okay? See this one? So you have a lot. You can scroll down. We have this one, tip writer. We have this one, and we have this one. Okay, so you have a lot here. If you scroll down, even if you go and scroll down more, you should see here add motion effect, okay, like this. So that's really good, okay, and it's easy. And here you go. That's how we can animate text on Canva, and it's easy. I'm gonna choose this one, and just click on the animation style that you want to use and click over here. You have speed. You can increase the speed of your animation or you can decrease it, okay? You can see, and you can also choose if you want to write in style by character or by word. And that's it. That's how you can animate or create text on Canva. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.